In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize dashboard on Coinbase. By the end, you'll have a clean, focused view that highlights the assets you care about, the chart timeframes you prefer, and a theme that's easy on your eyes, whether you're on mobile or desktop. Let's start with your watch list. Think of this as your personalized lane for quick market checks. When you open any cryptocurrency's asset page, look for the little star icon. Tap or click that star to add the asset to your dashboard's following tab. This makes it appear in one place for faster tracking of prices, percentage moves, and market cap without digging around. If you change your mind later or want to declutter, just unstar that same asset and it's removed right away. A good tip here is to keep the list focused on assets you actively follow, so your dashboard stays fast and relevant. Next, set the appearance to fit your environment. On the Coinbase mobile app, go to Set as Things, then tap Appearance under Display. Choose Light for bright spaces, Dark for low light viewing, or Device settings to match your phone's system theme. This won't change your portfolio or data. It simply makes the interface more comfortable, so you can scan information longer without strain. If you'd like deeper market tools, switch to the Advanced Trade interface. On mobile, use the toggle in the top left to switch over. On desktop, open the Profile menu and switch to Advanced Trade from there. This view unlocks TradingView powered charts with customizable layouts and built-in indicators, giving you a richer look at price action and trends. Once you're viewing a price chart, refine your perspective with time intervals. In the upper left of the chart, open the drop-down and select the time frame you want. Shorter intervals help you spot quick moves, while longer intervals highlight broader trends. Adjusting this on the fly lets you confirm what you're seeing before making any decisions. By the way, if you need the app or prefer the website, I've placed the official download link and the direct website link at the very top of the description so you can get to the correct place quickly and safely. That's the core of customizing your Coinbase dashboard. Build a focused watch list with the star icon, set your theme in mobile settings under Appearance, switch to Advanced Trade when you want pro-level charts, and use the chart time frame drop-down to see the market from different angles. Keep your watch list tidy by unstarring anything you no longer track. Thanks for watching.